Welcome back. Okay, so in the very previous video we did the selection of the various rows, various classes of rows, and we assigned the standard speed to them. So I said in this video we are going to calculate for the time and do the network analysis. So welcome back. If you are not coming from the very previous video, then you need to check it out. That is the link over there. Without that one, you won't be able to understand what we are doing in this video. So now we don't need these particular layers we created because we are done selecting the rows. So let me select them and remove them. Okay, so now that we are done, let us go to the road layer and add the time field. So time double. Okay, now we want to calculate for the time, so you go to field calculator. Now time is equal to distance. Is it the distance row? Yes, the distance record, distance divided by speed. Do you get it? Now we are using time, so you multiply it by 60 because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, right? So distance divided by speed times 60, then you see. So this is what it means. Let's descend them. So if you select the first field, what it is saying is that for this particular one, you see, we selected it as part of the walkable roads. So with this particular one, it will take you 44 minutes to walk from here to here. Have you seen that one? Yeah. So if you select this one too, it is saying that it will take you 42 minutes to walk from this side to this side. If you take this one too, it says it will take you 39 minutes to walk from here to here. Do you get it? Now let us come all the way to this one. It will take you 7 minutes to walk from here to here, and the distance is what? 0.4 kilometers. And if you scroll all the way to here, this one too will take you 4 minutes. Do you get it? So that is it. That is it. So we are done calculating for the time. So now let us move on to the network analysis. Now with the network analysis, you activate the catalog. Then you go to the folder you are working with. This is the folder I am working with. This is the folder I am working with. This is it. Dissolved road to line. Dissolved road to line. You see, in the previous video, we had the road, we dissolved it, and we converted it to line. So this is the one we are using. You right click, then you go to network datasets. This will pop up. Then you go to next. They will ask you this question. Let's say we choose no, or let's choose the yes. Do you want to model turns in this network? Yes. You go. Then you choose this one. Just maintain the none. Then you go. Now length is here, but time is not there. You want to use time, so you add. Then you write time. You maintain the cost. Then you choose minutes. Then you press OK. Next, 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 next. They will ask you, the new network data has been created. Would you like to build it now? Then you say yes. Do you also want to add all feature classes that participate in dissolved road? Do you get it? Then you say yes. Now this is it. You get points like this. Have you seen that? Now that we've gotten this is the toolbar we are using, the Network Analyst toolbar. To get it, you right click over there, Network Analyst over there. If yours is not there, then you go for it. Do you get it? And you should also make sure that you come to the extension and all these are selected. In case your network analysis is not working, come here and check that. So now that this is here, if you select this particular one, you see this. So at the network analyst, after you are done, you come under the network analyst, then you go to new service area. You get this. Do you get it? Now that this is activated, go back to your catalog. Now what is the shapefile of the particular facility you want to create the accessibility map for. So this is the shapefile, health facilities. I'll drag it. I have dragged the health facilities. Now if I look at Windows table of contents, this is the health facility. So if you select it and maybe increase the size, this is it. Health facilities are here. Do you get it? This is where they are located. They are located at the district capital. So now that they are here, let us reselect this one too. Again, then you come here, facilities. So you right click on it, then you go to load location, health facility. There is the health facility. If it's not selected, then you select it. Now the default is search tolerance. The default is 5,000 meters, but I like working in kilometers, so I'll just reduce it to 5 kilometers. Maybe 5,000 meters is equal to 5 kilometers. Yeah, so 5,000 meters is equal to 5 kilometers. So I'll choose that one. Then you choose OK. If you like, you can maintain the meters. When you are done, so now the locations are 2. Do you get it? When you are done, then you come here. You see, have you seen how I activated this particular feature? You just come here. When you select it, it will pop up. So let me reselect it. Now it will come. So now that we've loaded the locations, you come here, service area properties. You select that one. Then you go to analyst settings. Then you choose time. Do you get it? Now we are using health facilities. So with the health facilities, according to the standard, to be in a high access zone, you should drive up to 25 minutes. They have 25 to 30 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes, above 35 minutes. So we are going to write 25, 30, 35, and with the last 35, we are going to choose 60 because it says it is above 35 minutes, and it is reasonable to choose 60 because that is the maximum number for a minute. Do you get it? So that is what we are going to choose. So 25, 30, 25 to 30. So you choose the last one, 30, 30 to 35. Then we choose 35. Do you get it? So now let's go. So default breaks, you write 25, 30, 35, and 60. You see? Remember to choose the time. When you are done, direction. Now we are looking at towards the facility. If you are doing analysis like fire exit analysis, and maybe away from the facility. So, but now we are looking at towards the facilities. Do you get it? When you are done, then you come to the polygon generation. So with the polygon generation, they say trim polygon. Let us uncheck that one first. I always like choosing the merge and the disk. Do you get it? Then you click OK. When you click OK, then you come to the Network Analyst toolbar, then you choose Solve. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Yes. So this is it. Let us do something before we go back to where we did the settings. So table of content. So now this is it. So you can go to the polygon, right click, properties, then maybe add all values, then you choose category of colors for it. So now this is it. 25 minutes drive, 30 minutes drive, 35 minutes drive, and above 35 minutes. Have you seen that? Yes. Now if you see that it is not in align with the shape of the district, it doesn't look nice. It doesn't look nice. Have you seen that? So now let's remove the table of content. You can go back here, then you trim the polygon. You are saying the trim is 100 meters. Let's choose 1 kilometer. We are trimming it 1 kilometer. You click OK. Then you come to Solve. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? So if you go there and choose 2 kilometers, you see that it will be align more than this, the polygon will reduce more than this. Have you seen that? Yes. So that is it. So you can just go there again. You see, when I went there, I chose this one, merge. Now you can choose the not overlapping and see something. When you choose the not overlapping and you click solve, you see that the polygons will not overlap. There will be spaces in between. Have you seen that? There are spaces and they are not overlapping. Have you seen that? But when we went there and chose the merge, you see that they will merge like that. Did you see that? And when you choose this one to overlapping, you see, they also be overlapping like that. Let me choose another one for you to see. So they will be overlapping. But if you choose the merge, that one is my favorite. They will just be merging like that. Very, very nice. Then the rings are also there, and if you read about them, you will understand. Let us choose the ring and see. The ring also has its own. Have you seen that? Okay, so this is how we do the accessibility analysis, and I hope you've enjoyed it. So when I chose the detail, did you see that? When I chose the detail too, there has been some space over here. So you can play around them. You can actually play around them. And when you come here and you go back there and you choose 30, 40, 45 and 60, you see that the polygons will change. Have you seen that? So that is it. So what? Now let us go back to the table of content. Now let us uncheck the facility point. Uncheck this one. Uncheck this. So now what we are saying is that communities like Asokore, Efiduase, and Sutem Adija is definitely on the edge of, on the border of, I think it is in that zone. Asokore, you see all these communities, they are in the high access zone, so they can drive 25 minutes, up to 25 minutes from here to Asokore to access the health facility. And we are seeing community like Boya, they have to drive 30 minutes before they can access. Do you get it? Because they have this particular third class road, and if they are passing here, they would have to walk, so they will definitely pass here and access it, so they can drive 30 minutes. And we are seeing communities like, I'm actually talking about in Tunkumso, so Boya will have to drive 30 minutes. Do you get it? But communities like Brofuyedru, Nkwankwanria, and Motokrodia, they would have to drive above 35 minutes. So these people have to drive all the way to here, all the way to here. Do you get it? Yeah. So that is it. That is it. This is how we do the accessibility mapping. If you want to design it to look like this, you see how this was designed with a legend and everything. I'll do another video and design this particular map, so you can check that video out. I also have another video where I teach about how to design map. If you are new to how to design map, you can watch that video too. Yes. So that is it. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. If you've been following me, if you watch the first, second, third up to this video and you haven't subscribed, then I'll say you are you are not a good person. You should subscribe to this channel for me, because if you've been watching up to this point, it means you've gained something from this particular video. Kindly help me with a subscription so that my account can grow. Thank you very much for watching.